Hey there. Once again, it's your boy, it's your friend, it's the Credit Dr. Angelo coming to you with another YouTube video on the credit repair process. And we want you to know and understand that our motto is always you do not have to live with bad credit. There is something you could absolutely do about it. And we try to give you information so you can get that process started through all of our videos. We're just trying to give you enough information. We don't give you everything. Videos would be too long to give you everything, but nice short videos on different subjects and topics. And you put it all together, do more research, it can actually help you understand how you can clean up your credit. So today we're going to talk about, where do I get my credit reports from? Where do I get my true credit reports from? Most people will say go to Credit Karma because it's free and you're able to get, look at your credit reports. But the problem with that is they're only going to give you two: TransUnion and Equifax. And even in those two, the way it's outlined, it doesn't really break down or give you all the information you may need in order to find inaccurate information on your credit report when you're comparing it to each other and the Equifax Experian credit report as well. Some might say go to Identity IQ or ScoreSense or many of these other places in which you can sign up for to get your credit reports. The only problem with that is they're third-party sources. And now it's good to have when it comes to monitoring. It's good to have a monitoring system. I'm not saying don't do that, but I'm saying when it comes to cleaning up your credit, if you're disputing negative, you want to dispute negative items or find negative items, then you might not want to use that, because let's say you actually find negative items and you dispute those items and the credit bureau don't remove it, and you dispute it again, they don't remove it. Let's just say you file a lawsuit, you sue them for not being able to move it. What they're going to argue is, hey, you're looking at a third-party source. You're not getting your credit reports directly from us. You're looking at a third-party source, because they could have got the information wrong. And that's where they get a lot of people. So while it's good to have a monitoring system, when it comes down to actually looking for inaccurate information on your credit report, you want to, the best place to go is to the annualcreditreport.com and pull your credit reports from there, because at that point you're getting it directly, not from a third party source, but you're getting it directly from TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. So again, go to annualcreditreport.com, sign up, answer all the questions. It's free, of course, it's free. And they allow you typically to get uh, one of all three, get all three of your credit reports once every 12 months. But since, the pandemic and everything else going on, typically you've been able to pull it every week, so to speak. So here's a great opportunity for you to pull your credit reports. And if you have a problem with the computer or you don't have a printer, they have a number that you can actually call. And we'll probably put that in the description as well, where you can call and they'll just actually send it to you, mail it to your home. It's usually within 5 to 10 days, right? But you want to get it from the annualcreditreport.com, because then you're getting it directly from the credit bureaus, not a third-party source, directly from the credit bureaus. You can then put them side by side, look for the inaccuracies, and then write the dispute letter. Say, hey, based on your credit report that I got from the annual credit report, here are some inaccuracies. And this is coming directly from you guys. So therefore, if you can't fix it, I'm recommending that you delete these items from my credit report. And that's how you get a lot of items deleted, right, from your credit report. So again, while it's good to have monitoring systems that's out there, great, nothing wrong with that. But when it comes to disputing inaccurate information from your credit report, incomplete information, unverifiable information, you want to make sure that you have the credit reports that came directly from TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. So you can either go to their site individually, or you can go to what I recommend, the annualcreditreport.com site, pull your credit reports, look at them, compare them, and then say, hey, here are some inaccuracies. Here are some things that need to be deleted from my credit report. Even when it comes to my profile, cleaning up old names that I misspelled, and addresses that are no longer yours or you never lived there, and telephone numbers. You want to clean up all of that stuff. So in order to know how they're reporting it, I say that my opinion, go to the annualcreditreport.com site and get a copy of all 3 of your credit reports. Again, you can get it from there, print them out, or you can call them up and they'll mail it to you within 5 to 10 days. But that's where I believe, in my opinion, and this is how I help my clients get their credit reports so I can remove inaccurate information from their credit reports. All right, this is your boy once again, just dropping some jewels, dropping some nuggets. But you know what I need you guys to do. I should have said this in the beginning, but smash that like button, leave a comment. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you haven't done it already, but I believe you did that when you first logged on, hit that subscribe button. So what I always say, thank you. Continue to follow us. This is your boy, your friend, the credit doctor, Angelo McCutcheon. As we sign off, you know what we always say, stay blessed. Whatever you do, stay blessed. But what's even more important is that you are a blessing. And with that, we say, have a blessed day.